Welcome to the GemHub Customers section. I'm excited to introduce this brand new feature currently in its beta testing phase, which will be available to GemHub Pro users. This section is designed to help you connect with your customers and supercharge your sales like never before. Getting started is a breeze. Just tap on the Customers icon in the left-hand side ribbon. You'll be greeted by a fresh, streamlined view that shows all the messages from your recently shared collections. Your customers can easily drop you quick notes, share their contact information, and tag their favorite items, making it effortless for you to follow up and close those sales. Let's dive into how this works. When you share a collection generated by GemHub, your customers can express their interest in specific pieces with just a click. They simply hit Add to Cart, and voila! A new view pops up for them to enter all their details. It's quick, smooth, and super user-friendly. In the top right corner, you'll also find a convenient search bar that allows you to effortlessly search through inquiries to find exactly what you're looking for, saving you precious time. We can't wait for you to dive into this brand new section. We truly believe it's going to be a game changer in helping you drive more sales and form meaningful connections with jewelry lovers everywhere. For more helpful tips and tutorials, just head to the bottom left and click on Tutorials. You'll discover a wealth of resources to maximize your GemHub experience. Don't forget to follow us on social media. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help. Together, let's redefine what's possible.